Miss Menu?
Yeah, you can call me Lauren.
David from the Bootcamp Base Camp. How you doing today?
I'm good. Have a seat.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good.
Good?
Yeah.
How was your weekend?
Uneventful.
Oh, sorry to hear that. Did you get a chance to watch the World Series this weekend or watch some football or anything?
No, I'm not into sports.
Oh, sorry to hear that. I'm sorry. So thank you again for having me in today. I'm David with Base Camp. Here's my card.
Oh, thank you.
Is there anyone else that needs to be in the room today?
Well, I normally have I was supposed to have my assistant here, but she's actually putting the finishing touches on one of our client shows, so she couldn't be here today.
Okay, sure. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Oh, yeah, you can.
Great. Mind if I take a few notes as well?
Go ahead, yeah.
Okay. I understand you're currently not using a project management system. Where do you see your company going in the near future without implementing a PMS?
I mean, we're using Excel, and it's just barely getting us by, so I don't really see a lot of growth if we stay with just using, Microsoft Excel for our task management. I mean, that's kind of, why we're looking into the
Sure.
group meetings.
That's why I'm
so,
here.
Yeah.
On average, about how many advertising projects do you work with a week?
I mean, I guess it's normally between 15 to 20.
15 to 20 a week?
Yeah,
Okay.
per office.
Okay.
So
And you have 4 offices, that's right.
we have 10.
10 offices? Oh, okay,
nationwide,
okay.
Yeah.
Alright, if you don't mind me asking, how much is each customer worth, be it on a weekly or monthly basis?
Let me think. It would probably be something that we did by project. I'd say each project normally goes about, and then again, it depends how big. Maybe,
Of course.
I would say maybe around 2,000
Is that
as an average.
Is that on a yearly basis or a monthly basis?
It's more of per project. Like I said, we normally have,
Okay.
several running at a time.
Sure, of
but,
course.
I wouldn't be able to break it down to
Oh, yeah.
maybe with better software.
Okay, so what are some features you're looking for in a PMS?
Well, the hardest thing is to track progress because, we can write the tasks and when they got completed, but it's really hard to be able to just see a snapshot of our progress. You have to sit there and work it out from what's on this Excel spreadsheet. So pretty much the time management as well as being able to easily, update everything without, having to come back to the file separately and have different modifications from different users that will have to be integrated later on.
That's exactly what we're selling here. Basecamp is a web-based project management. It's online, and what we generalize our business off of is collaboration and organization, which is what you're looking for. It's a centralized database location where your company and your client have a central location where you can work on the same projects, plans, events, on whatever you guys are working for. So let's say you have an ad PR campaign next few weeks and you're suggesting certain things and your client is suggesting certain things. You can work and collaborate on the same thing at the same time simultaneously. It's kind of like a chat room if you think about it.
So it's not just my users, my
No,
employees
not at all.
having
It's
these,
all
the
about
clients will be able
collaboration.
to too?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So if you have an idea and they have an idea, you can work on it at the exact same time, different places. We're actually international now. So if you have any international clients, be it wherever overseas, it's actually simple to use. It translates all languages into for you and your client, so you can do it overseas wherever you may be. So yeah. Also, you said it's worth $2,000 a project. Am I right?
Yeah.
And you working with about 15 projects per week times about 5 weeks or so. So you're working with over 50 projects a week, am I right?
Yeah.
All right, well, over 50 projects a week, we like to suggest the premium package.
Mm-hmm.
It's $100 a month, okay, and you're given 30 gigabytes of storage and unlimited users, which means you can have as many people on your side of the company as many people as on their side of the company as well. And it's only $100 a month. It's called the Sweet Spot. It's up to 100 projects, and that would most likely fit your criterion. Right now, we offer a mobile mobile application for iPhones, Blackberries, Androids, whatever it may be. So if you're not watching sports on a weekend and you want to, look at a certain task, look at anything going on next week, you can just go, or if you can't get to a computer, you can just go on the mobile application. It's really easy to download, it's free. Go on the mobile application and see. It's really easy to use. Check updates, see if you're getting any updates from any of your clients on a weekend basis. So, yeah. Also, we have active projects and also archive projects. I know in ad PR, you like if you have one ad PR design, you like to save it for next time or a different client. Well, that would go under the archive, where you can it stores it automatically. All your past advertising plans are stored automatically, and then the active one, which I said earlier, where you can work with your client simultaneously.
Mm-hmm. The archived ones don't count as part of the 100 projects, or the same.
No, it does not count. The 100 projects are just current
Active.
projects. You could have 500, 600 all in the archive, and it doesn't go towards 100 projects. File storage allows you to share, upload files, documents, pictures, audio, video to your Basecamp, to any of your clients. Really easy to use. It's compatible with all internet, Safari, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari 4, Firefox, anyone it may be. It's also compatible with Mac and Microsoft Word. Do you have any other questions?
Yeah, if it's online and your site goes down or our computers go down or something happens, what is the backup like? How often is it backed up?
Well, it backs up 100%. Our state-of-the-art computer servers are protected by biometric locks, and they're it's a 24-hour surveillance. So it's 100%. We've never had a problem with that.
Okay, and then the only other question I really had was that do you have any type of guarantee or trial period that we'd be able to just try it out?
Oh yeah, sure. That actually is with the premium package that you would be receiving. It's a 30-day free trial, and it's a month-to-month basis. So if you would like, you can start with a Max Plus premium package, whatever it may be. You can start with that monthly package. It's a month-to-month contract. So if you decide to either upgrade or downgrade, you can just tell me day before or a minute before the new month starts, and we can implement that new strategy.
Okay.
All right. So how do you feel about Basecamp? How do you feel about implementing a PMS to your business?
Well, I'd really like to go over with that assistant that was supposed to be here.
Sure.
She is one of my main decision makers. I do make the decisions, but I like to run everything by her because she helps a lot with the business.
Sure.
I can go ahead. Can we just do it for this office
for
now?
Sure.
And then 30 days go by. If we want to upgrade after I talk to my assistant, that's fine.
Sure thing.
Okay.
Would you like the premium package?
I think that would be best to start out so that I can see how it
Okay, and
runs
like I
with all
said,
the
it's a
projects.
month-to-month contract. You can either upgrade or downgrade, whatever it may be. Okay? If you don't mind just signing right there.
All right.
Thank you very much. I'm going to do the paperwork. I'll give you a call once the paperwork is done, and we'll start implementing Basecamp for you, all right?
Okay.
Thank you very much for having me today.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye.